Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about boiler economizers, an important piece of equipment that improves efficiency and reduces boiler operating costs. An economizer works by recovering waste heat from the flue gas to preheat the feed water before it enters the boiler. This reduces fuel consumption and improves the system's overall efficiency. In this video, we'll cover the following topics. First, the construction of an economizer. Second, we'll look at the types of water heaters and their pros and cons. Third, the materials used to manufacture economizers. Fourth, solutions that can help an economizer last for more than 5 years. Let's begin with the first section, economizer construction. A conventional economizer in industrial boilers has water flowing inside the tubes and flue gas outside, with heat transferred through plain or fin tubes. The flue gas flows across staggered tube bundles, improving heat transfer between the gas and water. We have just covered the basic construction of an economizer. Next, we'll look at the different types of economizers and their pros and cons. Economizers are generally divided into two main types. The first is the plain tube economizer, and the second is the fin tube economizer. Plain tubes collect less dust on their surfaces, making them easier to clean and reducing how often cleaning is required. The drawback is a smaller heat transfer area, requiring more tubes to achieve the required capacity. For fin tubes, the advantage is a larger heat transfer area than plain tubes of the same length, which helps improve heat transfer efficiency. Their disadvantage is that they collect more dust, so they need to be cleaned more frequently. We've just reviewed the different types of economizers, along with their pros and cons. Next, we'll discuss the materials used to manufacture economizers. 3. Economizer materials. The materials commonly used for economizer heat transfer tubes in Vietnam include: first, heat-resistant seamless steel tubes; second, seamless 304 stainless steel tubes; third, heat-resistant cast iron fin tubes. Let's examine each of these materials. For heat-resistant seamless steel tubes, the advantages are low cost, high strength, and good resistance to heat and pressure. However, they are prone to corrosion with low temperature or high impurity feed water. When untreated pond water or well water is used, the steel tubes may fail after only 2 to 3 years due to thermal shock and oxidation. 304 stainless steel tubes offer excellent corrosion resistance, making them suitable for cold water and humid conditions. Their main disadvantage is their higher cost. If chloride ions in the water are not properly treated, 304 stainless steel can still corrode. The third option is heat-resistant cast iron fin tubes. Their advantages include excellent thermal shock resistance, high corrosion resistance, and stable heat transfer performance due to their large fin surface area. Its longer lifespan also reduces depreciation costs. Their disadvantage is their greater weight, although this does not significantly affect operation. Given these characteristics, heat-resistant cast iron fin tubes are currently considered the best option. Next, we'll discuss how to extend an economizer's service life beyond 5 years. Let's move on to the fourth section. How can an economizer last for more than 5 years? To extend economizer life, 3 key factors are essential. The first is reducing thermal shock. The second is proper feed water treatment. The third is using durable construction materials. Here are the key solutions. First, use a deaerator to raise the feed water temperature to 105 degrees Celsius. Remove dissolved oxygen and minimize thermal shock. This helps reduce oxidation and corrosion. The second solution is feed water treatment. The feed water must meet boiler water quality standards. High chloride levels should be treated to reduce tube corrosion, whether the tubes are steel or stainless steel. The third solution is choosing cast iron as the construction material. Finned cast iron improves heat transfer, offers high durability, and withstands high temperatures and sudden operating changes. DIVI currently provides a 5-year warranty for all our equipment, including economizers, when customers agree to implement this complete solution. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of economizer construction, types, manufacturing materials, and ways to extend economizer service life. It is a key component that saves fuel and improves system efficiency. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or explore the related videos on DIVI's channel. We wish you safe, efficient, and successful operation. Thank you, and see you next time.